Hey there, how you doing? It's Matthew Hunt here from Automation Wolf, and I want to put together a quick little video here that will help you with cold emailing. And cold emailing is something that every B2B business should get down because it's one of the quickest ways to make sales. Build a list, prospect that list, close those that are interested. It's a shorter way to sales as opposed to sometimes doing the inbound marketing, which is a longer route. I'm not saying you shouldn't do inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is awesome. However, it's usually a longer process. So if you're looking for a shorter way to close sales faster and to get yourself in front of the right people, you're going to want to master the art of cold emailing. And part of the art of cold emailing is getting your emails opened. And to get your emails opened, you need to have a great subject line. So you got to even think about it. Most people are, looking on their phones like this today, and they see the subject line, and usually like the first few words or the first sentence of your cold email. And so that's the preview, and that's going to determine whether they're going to click the button to open it and read it, or whether they're just going to ignore it. And what you have to realize is the average user actually has 21,000 unread emails in their inbox. Can you believe that? 21,000. And I understand most of them are ending up in the spam or promotional tabs or newsletter tabs, particularly if they use like an email client like Gmail to manage it, it's ending up there. So the question is, how do you show up and open this? Well, I'm getting regular open rates, between 60 and 75% all the time. Now, part of it is because I scrub my lists. I do a very good job of not putting garbage into the machine. If you put garbage in, you're going to garbage out. So you got to scrub your list and do some research first. And two, even though I'm automating the process of prospecting through cold email, there is some research that we do. So we do have people go out and do research. So the first line is always personalized. And second, we've got a bunch of subject lines that just seem to work all the time. And so some of the general tips are keep it generic and keep them short, as well as if you can use some personalization with their first name and or their company name, that helps a lot. But what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you my entire swipe file of my very best subject lines for cold email, as well as for regular email, even your newsletters, as well as your client onboarding and everything. You're going to just get all of them. And it kind of looks like this right here. So if you come over and take a look at this, you'll see there's a tab here, cold email subject lines, inbound, outbound, client reviews, and so forth. I'm going to give you all my very best subject lines, and you can just make a copy of this. When you come over, it'll be a Google Doc, and you'll just click make a copy, download it, and they'll be maybe give you some inspiration for things to test out. And the answer is always be testing. So if you'd like this, comment below, and I will get it to you in some way to be able to get this swipe file, and hopefully it'll shortcut you and give you some ideas. And if you found this video useful, be sure to support it by liking. If you got something else to add it in the comments of how you find the best way to get the best open rates in cold email, and add to the conversation. Also, stay tuned. I think I have two more videos about cold email in this series after this. And if you didn't see the first three, I think there was three before this, go check them out. They'll probably be in the description somewhere here. Hope you have a great day. This is Matthew Hunt from Automation Wolf.